just begin to thank the Lord for our dream. Let me see you wave your hand if you got a dream. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Trouble often comes to destroy the dream within. Hard to find a friend that wants to see you win. Anybody know what I'm talking about? Trouble often comes to destroy what we believe, but the dream lives on inside of me, growing strong in spite of me. Through it all, my dream, it will survive. Whoa, God gave me a dream that would not die. God cannot lie. Oh, God showed me. Let me see your hand if he showed you your dream that would not die. The dream cannot die. Listen.
He is best known for his role in the advancement of civil rights using nonviolent civil disobedience. This man became a national icon in the history of American progression. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Martin Luther King Jr.
One day, this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day, out on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down at a table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day, even the state of Mississippi, a desert state, sweltering with the heat and injustice of operation, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but the content of their character. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day the state of Alabama, whose governor's lips are potentially dripping with the words of interposition and unification, will be transformed into a solution where little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands with little white boys and white girls. Walk together as sisters and brothers. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be exalted, every hill and mountain shall be made low. The rough places will be made plain, the crooked places will be made straight, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. This is our hope. This is the faith with which I return to the South. With this faith, we'll be able to hew out the mountain of despair and stone of hope. With this faith, we will be able to transform the genuine discourse of our nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood.